My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just under 38,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen, we can get quick access to navigation, radio, and Apple CarPlay. To put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We have climate control, as well as the choice of 3 different driving modes. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.